Graphical solution of linear inequalities. Graphical solution of linear inequality. Done. So first point, the graphical solution of linear inequality, or we can say solution of linear inequality, will give us half plane. Now, what is the solution? Solution of linear inequality. Solution of any given linear inequality will give us half plane. Half plane. Done. So what is the solution? For example, let us now consider one question. That is question number 1 of your exercise 6.2. Suppose if we are asked to find the solution, or we can say represent the solution of linear inequality x plus y less than 5 graphically. Our question is represent the solution of this linear inequality graphically. So one linear inequality is given. Done. For example, this is linear inequality in two variables. If we are having one equation x plus y equal to 5, instead of inequality, if we are having equation, then what is the solution of this linear equation in two variable? Linear equation in two variable. क्या किसी को पता what is the solution of this linear equation in two variable? That is our standard 9 chapter number 3, linear equation in two variable. So linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution, and if we draw the graph of this linear equation in two variable, we are getting straight line. We are getting the straight line. Clear? So x plus y equal to 5 will give us straight line, and for straight line infinite solutions are there. We can say infinite points lies on a students. आवाज आ रही है? Okay. So linear equation in two variable, उस graph is a straight line, है ना? Our question is represent the solution of this x plus y less than 5 graphically, and for this moment we are just considering the equation. We are removing this inequality and we will consider only equation x plus y equal to 5. Done. So let us now consider this linear equation in two variable, and if we try to draw the graph of this linear equation in two variable, we will get one straight line. So how can we draw the graph? So for that we have to draw one coordinate box. This is known as coordinate box. For that we are considering different values of x and y. If we consider x equal to 0, so corresponding value of y with respect to x is 5, and if we consider y 0, then corresponding value of x with respect to y is 5. So we are getting 2 points on a line. So now we can draw the graph of this straight line. So for the graph, we have to consider Cartesian plane, x axis and y axis. This is our x axis and this is our y axis. This is our origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Done. Now we have to locate this point in a Cartesian plane. So first point is x0, y5, 0, 5. So 0, 5 will be lies over here, 0, 5. And another point is 5, 0. 5, 0 will be over here. Done. 2 points are there, and join these 2 points, so we are getting one straight line. So this is the solution of equation x plus y equal to 5. Done. So this is the representation of solution of straight line in a graph. But here our question is represent this inequality graphically. So what is the meaning of this inequality? So inequality here, if we draw a line in a plane, that line will divide our given plane into two half planes. देखो, अगर हम प्लेन के अंदर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे So that line will divide our given plane into two half planes. So here you have to consider the definition of half plane. So what is half plane? So half plane is nothing but the division of a portion of a plane. So a line, we can say a line in a plane. A line in a plane divides it into two half planes. Done. So if we draw a line in a plane, it will divide our plane into two half plane. So this portion, this portion of plane is known as upper half, and this portion of the plane is known as lower half. So our plane is now divided into Cartesian plane is now divided into two halves, upper half and lower half, and all the points which lies on a line are the solution of this equation x plus y equal to 5. But here we have to find the solution of this linear inequality. So x plus y is less than 5. So consider one point. Suppose we are considering this origin. Origin 0, 0 is there. Now put the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in our inequality. Then it's a 0 plus 0 less than 5. So 0 less than 5. So for 0, 0 point, for origin, we can say the inequality statement is true. Inequality statement is true. So this point solve this inequality. So this is the solution of this point 0, 0 is the solution of our this inequality. Consider another one point. Suppose point on y-axis we are taking 0, 3. So what about this 0, 3? Can this 0, 3 solve our inequality? Put in inequality x 0, y 3, 0 plus 3 less than 5, 3 less than 5. So this 0, 3 point also solve our inequalities. It is also true. So 0, 3 is also solution of this inequality. So total how many points are there? You can take any point from this half plane. That is from the lower half. All the points which lies in the lower half will solve this inequality. We can say will satisfy this inequality. Done. In short, here we can say that all the points in lower half plane will satisfy the given inequality. Done. So what is the solution of this linear inequality? Solution of this linear inequality x plus y less than 5 is the lower plane, or we can say lower half, from the line x plus y equal to 5. Done. So solution of this linear inequality is half plane towards the origin. Here our straight line divides our given plane into two half plane, upper half plane and lower half plane. Solution of any linear equality will be half plane. So here, which half plane is the solution of this given linear equality? Is the lower half plane towards the origin is the solution of this given linear inequality. So our answer is lower half plane of which line? X plus y. Lower half plane of x plus y equal to 5. Which plane? Towards the origin. Towards the origin is the solution. Of given linear equality. Clear? X plus y less than 5. So here you can understand the solution of two things. Suppose x plus y equal to 5 is there, then solution is a straight line. If x plus y less than 5 is there, then solution of this linear inequality is the lower half plane of this line. Now third case, if we are given inequalities, here inequality is a strict inequalities. This is strict inequality. Inequality is there. So for this strict inequality, this line is not included in the solution. We have to consider the lower half from this line. Line is not included. Suppose if we are given slack inequality, that is x plus y less than or equal to 5. This type of slack inequality is there. Now tell me, what is the solution for this type of slack inequality? So here two options are there. You can say two parts are there. First is x plus y less than 5 is the solution, as well as x plus y equal to 5 is the solution. So here we have to consider lower half towards the origin as well as this straight line. So for the solution of this slack inequality, we have to consider this straight line as well as the half plane towards the origin will be the solution of this slack inequality. Clear? Clear all these three cases? Solution of straight line, solution of stick inequality, as well as solution of slack inequalities. चलो let's try all the sums one by one. Exercise 6.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है ना, फिर से करते हैं. Exercise 6.2 question number 1. Solve this inequality graphically. So here we are given x plus y less than 5. So for the inequality, solution will be a half plane, and here strict inequality is there. So here we are not including our line in our solution. तो इसको कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? So for that, first you have to consider this straight line x plus y equal to 5, and we have to draw coordinate table. So coordinate table is values of x and y. Then for x equal to 0, we are getting y5, and for y equal to 0, we are getting x5. Then we have to draw the graph. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our origin 0, 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Done? So here points are 0, 5, 0, 5, and 5, 0. Now here strict inequality is there. So for the solution of this strict inequality, our line will be dotted line, because our line is not included in the solution. So here you have to draw the dotted line. है ना, आपको solution में से एक dotted line draw करनी है. So this dotted line will divide our plane into two half planes. This is x plus y equal to 5. Done? So now two half planes. Which half plane is the solution of given inequality? For that we have to consider the point 0, 0 origin. You can consider any point from this half plane, but 0, 0 will be very convenient for us. So for 0, 0, we will check whether 0, 0 lies in the solution of this inequality or not. So for 0, 0, check this inequality x plus y less than 5. So 0 plus 0 less than 5. So 0 less than 5. Whether it is true or false, this equality is true for origin 0, 0. Done? So solution of this inequality will be the half plane. Which half plane? Upper one or lower one? Lower one. Done? So this portion of the plane, lower part, is the solution of these inequalities in which line is not included. Done? So here you have to write the answer. Solution of linear inequality is lower plane, or we can say half plane of which line? Half plane of x plus y less than 5 towards the origin. Towards the origin is the solution of this linear inequality. Clear? Now, question number 2. Here strict inequality is there. So here we have not considered our line into the solution. Now check question number 2. For question number 2, we are given 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. So here inequality is slack inequality. Done? So for this slack inequality, we have to consider the line in our solution, है ना, लेस देन और इक्वल टू दोनों है. तो इक्वालिटी लोअर प्लेन भी आएगा, लोअर या फिर अपर प्लेन भी आएगा, और हमारी लाइन पे सॉल्यूशन में आएगी. डन? सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कंसीडर द इक्वालिटी टू ड्रॉ द लाइन. सो 2x प्लस y इक्वल टू 6 करना है. फर्स्ट स्टेप, इनइक्वालिटी को रिमूव करके आपको इक्वालिटी कंसीडर करनी है, और इसके लिए आपको एक ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ वन कोऑर्डिनेट बॉक्स. So coordinate box will give us values of x and y. So this is our coordinate box. Consider different values of x and y. So if you are taking x equal to 0, put x equal to 0, so you are getting y equal to 6. And if you are getting x equal to 3, y equal to 0. So 2 points are there. Now we can draw the line 2x plus y equal to 6 in our Cartesian plane. This is y-axis. This is our x-axis and y-axis. This is our origin O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be -1, -2, -3, -1, -2. Cartesian plane. Now represent these 2 points in a graph 0, 6, x0, y6. So this is our 0, 6 point. 0, 6 point. And another point is 3, 0, x3, y0. Done. Join these 2 points. We are getting a straight line. And here less than or equal to slack inequality is there. So in our solution we have to include our line. So we are drawing a solid line. Here line is not included. So we draw one dotted line. Here line is included in our graph. So we are drawing one solid line. So this is line. The line is 2x plus y equal to 6. Done. So this line divides our given plane into upper part and lower part. Upper plane and lower plane. Upper half plane, this is lower half plane. Now we'll check for this origin 0, 0. Whether this 0, 0 is in the solution of this part or this part. So now for 0, 0, we will check the solution. So for this given inequality is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 6 is there. So 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6. So can we say 0 is greater than or equal to 6? 0 is greater than or equal to 6. This is false. This is false inequality. That means our 0, 0 is not included in our solution. So therefore we have to consider the upper half plane. Done. So here solution is upper half plane. That means away from the half plane which is away from the origin. ये जो लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो प्लेन के दो पार्टीशन में डिवीजन होगा. Upper half plane and lower half plane. Lower half plane contains our origin, and origin is not satisfying our inequality. And therefore, our solution is upper half plane, which is away from the origin. So here, solution. You have to write the statement. So here, the solution of inequality is the half plane. So which half plane? So here you have to write half plane of line. Which line? Half plane of line 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6 is away from origin. Done. Away from the origin. Origin को include नहीं करना है. Suppose origin को include करना है, then it is towards the origin. Now the solution of this inequality is the half plane which is away from the origin. Clear, students? समझ में आ रहा है? Third one. The inequality is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So here again slack inequality is there. Two types of inequalities are there, strict inequality and slack inequality. Here less than or equal to type of inequality is there. So here we have to include our straight line into the solution, and therefore we have to draw the solid line of this given equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12. So first we'll consider the equation of straight line, which will be 3x plus 4y equal to 12. इनइक्वालिटी को रिमूव करना है, आपको सिर्फ इक्वालिटी कंसीडर करनी है. Now you have to draw the coordinate box. So coordinate box you have to consider different values of x and y. है ना, x और y आपको खुद से लेना है. So if you are taking x equal to 0, put x equal to 0, so we are getting y equal to 3. And if you are getting y equal to 0, then x equal to 4. So 2 points in a Cartesian plane are there. So we can draw the graph of this straight line. So first draw the graph. So Cartesian plane is there, y-axis, x-axis. Done. So 2 points on a line are first 0, 3, x0, y3. So 0, 3 point. This point 0, 3. And second point x0, x4, y0, 4, 0 point. Here inequality is a strict inequality. So we have to include our line in the solution. So we will draw a solid line. Then ये 4 में से पास हुआ है ऐसा आप assume कर लो. So 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now by drawing this line in a plane, our plane is divided into two half plane, upper half plane and lower half plane. So we have to check which half plane is the solution of this given inequality. So for that we will check for this origin 0, 0. Done. Whether this 0, 0 lies in the solution plane or not. So for 0, 0, our inequality will be 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 12. So 0 less than equal to 12. It is true. 0 less than equal to 12 is true. That means this origin 0, 0 lies in the solution of our half plane. Therefore, we have to consider the half plane which is towards the origin. So solution of this inequality is the half plane towards the origin. Done. So here you have to write this statement. Solution is half plane of 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12 towards the origin. Towards the origin is the solution. Half plane of this given equality towards the origin is the solution of this given inequality. Clear? Now question number 4. Here given inequality is y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. So here we can write this one as a 8 greater than or equal to 2x minus y. So our equation of straight line will be 2x minus y equal to 8. This is the equation of straight line. Draw the coordinate box. X and y. Take x equal to 0. So corresponding value of y is minus 8. Put y equal to 0. So corresponding value of x is 4. So now you can draw this straight line. Here inequality is greater than or equal to type. That means slack inequality is there. Done. And for the slack inequality greater than or equal to type of inequality, we have to include our straight line into the solution. So for this again we have to draw the solid line. So now graph. X-axis, y-axis, this is our origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Done. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So first point is x0, y minus 8. So this point x0, y minus 8. x0, y minus 8. And second point x4, y0. So this one. So join these 2 points. We will get the straight line. Here slack inequality is there, so we have to draw the solid line. So this line. Done. Which is the 2x minus y equal to 8 line is there. So this straight line divides our given plane into two half plane. one half plane it is away from the origin and another half plane towards this origin. So we will check whether this origin 0 0 lies in the solution of this half plane or not. So for 0 0, same method, we have to check our given inequalities. It is 8 greater than or equal to 2 into 0 0. So can we say 8 greater than or equal to 0? Yes, true. Done. So inequality becomes true for 0 0, and that's why we can say that our solution lies in the solution of this part. So solution of our inequality is the half plane towards the origin. So this part clear. So here you have to write the statement half plane of which one, y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x towards the origin is the solution of the given linear inequality. Clear? Now question number 5. Fifth question, x minus y less than or equal to 2. All questions are same. Done? So here x minus y equal to 2, coordinate box. This is x, this is y. For x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to minus 2. And for y equal to 0, we are getting x equal to 2. Solution. X axis, y axis, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2. Look at these points in a Cartesian plane. X0, y minus 2. So this one, 0, minus 2. X2, y0. X2, y0. So we are getting one straight line. Here, which inequality is there? Slack inequality is there. Done. For slack inequality, we have to draw this solid line. So this is the graph of x minus y less than or equal to 2. So again our plane is divided into two planes, lower half plane and upper half plane. Upper half plane towards the origin. This is our origin. Now we have to check which half plane is the solution of this given inequality. So for that we will verify for this origin 0 0. So consider origin 0 0 and here given inequality is 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2. So 0 less than or equal to 2, that is true inequality. Done. So here you can say that this 0 0 lies in the solution of this linear inequality. So here solution is upper half plane and included 0. So upper half plane towards the origin is the solution of this given linear inequality. Done. So here you have to write the half plane of x minus y less than or equal to 2 towards the origin. Towards the origin is the solution of this given linear inequality. Clear? Now question number 6. All questions are same. Remaining questions you have to try by yourself. So question number 6, again we are given 2x minus 3y greater than 6. Now students, here this is slack inequality, so we are including our line, so we are drawing solid line. Now here strict inequality is there. Strict inequality, we are not including our line, so for that we have to draw dotted line for this graph. Done. So our equation of line 2x minus 3y equal to 6. This is our line. Coordinate box, values of x and y. If you are taking x equal to 0, so corresponding value of y is minus 2. If you are taking y is 0, corresponding value of x is 3. Done. Now our graph graph will be like this. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is our origin. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is -1, -2. This is 1, 2, 3. And this is -1, -2. Done. Locate these 2 points in a graph. 0, -2, x0, y -2. So it's a 0, -2. 0, -2. And second point is 3, 0. x3, y0. So here, strict inequality is there. So we have to draw the dotted line. No, we have to draw the dotted line. So dotted line is the graph of the given linear equation in two variables. So this is dotted line. So this dotted line divides our plane into two half plane, upper and lower. Upper plane includes origin and lower half plane does not include origin. That is away from the origin. This is towards the origin. So we have to check which half plane. Solution of any linear inequality is the half plane. So here two options are there. Either upper half plane or lower half plane is the solution of for this given linear inequality. So we will check for this origin 0, 0. Whether this 0, 0 lies in our solution or not. So for 0, 0, we can say 0 greater than 6. So can we say 0 greater than 6? That is false statement. So for the false statement, what you have to do? You have to consider the half plane away from the origin. So this is away from the origin, towards this side. So half plane away from the origin is the solution. So here solution is half plane of inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 6 away from origin. Away from origin is the solution of the given linear inequality. Clear? Let's do one more sum. Question number 7. So here inequality is minus 3x plus 2y. Minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. So equation of line will be minus 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Done. Draw the coordinate box. Coordinate box will be like this. On a coordinate box means values of x and y. We are finding two values. For x equal to 0, for y will be 3. For y equal to 0, x will be minus 2. Minus 3x plus 2y minus 6 is there. Very good. So for x equal to 0, we are getting y minus 3. And for y equal to 0, we are getting x 2. No, x is 2. This is 2. And this is minus 3. Done? For x equal to 0, y minus 3. And for y equal to 0, x minus 2. So now graph minus 3x draw the graph. This is x, this is y axis. 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. You have to draw the graph by using scale and pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. First point is x0, y minus 3. So x0, y minus 3. And third point or second point is x0, y2. x0, y2. So 2, 0 point. Now here inequality is the slack inequality. For this slack inequality, we have to draw the solid line. So here, this is the graph of given equation. Minus 3x plus 2y equal to minus 6. So again, we have to consider two half planes, upper half planes towards the origin, half plane away from the origin. So again, we will check for this origin 0, 0. So this 0, 0 lies in the solution or not. So for origin 0, 0, now putting inequalities minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0. So 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. True or false? True. 0 is greater than minus 6. So we have to consider this half plane towards the origin, है ना? ये inequality true होगी तो origin की towards हमारा solution होगा. So this is half plane towards the origin is the solution of this linear inequality. So you have to write the answer. Half plane of inequality minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6 towards the origin is the solution of the given linear inequality. Done? Question number 8 try by yourself. And question number 9 देखो उसके अंदर सिर्फ एक ही लाइन है तो शायद कुछ कंफ्यूजन आ सकता है. So question number 9, here we are given y less than minus 2, है ना? So value of x is 0. So here equation of line will be y equal to minus 2. So you can directly draw the graph. Now this is our x-axis and y-axis. This is 0. Now what is the graph of this y equal to minus 2? Is the equation of line perpendicular to y at minus 2. So this one y equal to minus 2. So again our plane is divided into two parts, upper half plane and lower half plane. Upper half plane includes the origin 0, 0. So let's check for this 0, 0.